Hey guys, this is Aditya and you're watching Super Maniac, and today's video I'm going to talk about Realme C12 in depth specifications. And I have already made a video. I have given my first impression on this phone already. I have the link in iCard somewhere here. You can just check it all out. So without wasting time, we'll move further and I'll be showing you a few detailed specification in this video. Okay guys, let's start with the performance on this phone. So this phone actually comes with 3 GB RAM itself, and the processor is not like top-notch processor, but it's fine enough in this price range. Now when we talk about the gaming performance or gaming experience on this phone, I'll be honest with you guys here. I haven't played much of games on this phone, and I have played a game called COD that was maybe 3 to 4 rounds continuous. And I have noticed one thing on this, that this phone actually start getting heated up after second or third round, and then I saw slight lags in the middle. So that is one point to be noted. Anyways, I'll also show you the multi-core and the single core marks from the benchmark itself. So let's continue. So guys, as you can see, here is the benchmarks, Geek benchmark itself, and I have run a test on to this. So now I'll be showing you the single core and the multi-core performance, and there will be comparison scores also. So yeah, let's continue with the single score first. So as you can see, this phone actually is 168 on the score mark, and then there are other phones. So moving on, we'll see the multi-core, and in multi-core it is on 952 benchmark. So it's fine in this price range, I would say. So now let's talk about the display on this phone. So guys, this display is actually of 6.52 inches, and that's pretty huge. And now when we talk about the refresh rate on this phone actually come with a 60 Hz refresh rate, which actually you are able to see in slow motion right now on the screen. And you can actually see slight lags in the middle. I actually noticed my first ever lag in this phone while typing. I actually noticed it was not that fast or that quick. Anyways, the body ratio is 88.7%, and this phone of course come with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Guys, now I'll be talking about the video quality and the sound quality at once. So let me just on this device here, and as you can see, I'll be playing my own video on full volume. Anyways, let me start and show you the sound quality first. Hey, so what is up guys, this is Aditya and you're watching Super Maniac, and today's video I have got Realme C12 with me, and I'll be doing a quick review on this, and I'll be giving my first impressions, and also I'll be talking about some security issues in this phone. Anyways, without wasting time, I'll move further, but before that... So yeah, as you could hear, the sound was decent itself, but it was not too great. So yeah, anyways, now let me just show you how is the video quality in this phone. So as you can see, the maximum rate here for the video quality is on 720p. It's not going above that. It's a 720p display. So yeah, it's nothing too great, but it's fine, I would say. In this price range you wouldn't get something like this. Moving on guys, let's see the SAR value on this phone. So let me just type in the numbers and let's see what is the SAR value on this phone. So as you can see here, it is under control and you can use it without getting worried about the radiation. So it's pretty good enough to for. So guys, this phone actually comes with a 6000 mAh mega battery, and which is actually powered with 10 watts fast charger. So when you see here, the combination is not that great because the 6000 mAh mega battery is like really tough to charge with the 10 watts fast charger. I wish they would have given at least 15 to 18 watts charger. That would have been better, but otherwise this phone battery, I wouldn't complain for that. So guys, this was all for today's video, and hopefully you liked it, and if you did, make sure to subscribe my channel, give this video a thumbs up, also make sure to share it. Anyways, this is Super Maniac signing out.